everybody and welcome to the channel. This is Matteo from the FPV Combat project. Today I want to start recording a few video tutorials that are going to show you about different topics regarding the system. The first argument that I want to cover today is the update of the firmware. Actually, I'm working on firmware updates since a while, and thanks to your feedbacks I'm also able to fix some bugs and improving some functionalities, or improving stability. So today I want to show you, with the help of this little boy here, how simple it is to update the firmware on your boards. Let's go to the bench. We will quickly jump into the connection, but first remember to unplug the gun from your board, because that's gonna possibly result in damage of the gun during the updating procedure. Now that we are safe, we can continue with the connection of the FTDI adapter to the main controller board. Let's proceed with the power lines, for example, red for the plus 5 volt, then black wire for the ground, and then you can pick up any color for the TX and RX, and the DTR pin, which is gonna be actually the reset pin on some FTDI adapters. Check out the diagram for clearer understanding. Before connecting the FTDI adapter to your workstation, you're gonna need to get the files in order to be able to complete the procedure. Let's now navigate in the main website fpv-combat.com, and under the section documentation and download, you're gonna find the needed folders. Basically, you're gonna need to download the update tool and the firmware that you're gonna need to upload to your board. Now that we have all the needed files, let's proceed by unzipping the folders and launching the xloader.x. This is our tool that we are gonna use to send the new firmware to the board. Let's select in the first field the desired firmware for your hardware version. Under the device field, you can select between the two versions that are available at the moment, which are 2.4 and 2.5, and this is the hardware version of your board. Then select the right COM port and hit the upload button. If everything is fine, you should see the blinking LEDs on the FTDI adapter blinking very quickly for about 1 minute. At the end, you should get a message with the successful procedure completed. If you get the message of the upload failed, don't worry and don't panic. Just check if the splash screen at the startup of your FPV Combat board is showing the right version. In most of the case, it is just a bug in the uploader tool. As you could see, the updating procedure is very simple and it takes just about a couple of minutes. I always recommend you to take a look at the release notes, because, for example, if you're going to test the beta version, there is gonna written that you're gonna need to modify also the hardware of your main controller. That's gonna be a very simple procedure, and a dedicated video will show up. I strongly recommend you to proceed with the calibration of your voltage reading, because since version 2.4.1, there is the possibility to calibrate it. At this stage, a dedicated video will be published very soon. Thank you for watching the video and happy fights!